How to enable VoLTE on Android. VoLTE, or Voice over LTE, allows you to make clearer voice calls while keeping your mobile data connected. First, open Settings app on your Android. Then tap Connections. Next, select Mobile Networks. Here, look for the VoLTE Calls or VoLTE SIM1 option, depending on your software version. If the option is available, simply tap the switch to turn it on. If you're using two SIM cards, make sure you enable VoLTE for the SIM you use for calling. If you don't see the VoLTE option, your mobile carrier may not support it on your device, or it could already be enabled automatically. That's it. You've successfully enabled VoLTE on your Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my channel for more Android tutorials and Android how-to guides.